Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start with minimal setup. Make sure Vscode and Powershell are installed, and Powershell is the default integrated profile. Once done, close any existing terminals so you have a clean state. Open the command palette with Ctrl+Shift+P and type Developer. Toggle Developer Tools only if you need diagnostics. Otherwise, proceed to the next command. This prepares Vscode to accept the elevated terminal request. Make sure your user account can request elevation when prompted by Windows. Next, open a regular integrated terminal via Terminal New Terminal to confirm the profile. Then type the exact command. Start process PowerShell verb run as. This tells Windows to open a new PowerShell process with administrator rights. When the user account control prompt appears, accept it. That creates a separate elevated PowerShell window outside Vscode. Note, Vscode cannot directly elevate its integrated terminal, so you use PowerShell to elevate itself. This step bridges Vscode and the OS. Finally, perform your admin tasks in the newly elevated PowerShell window. You can copy commands from Vscode and paste into that window. If scripts are blocked, run set execution policy, remote sign scope current user inside the elevated shell, and explain why you changed it. If the UAC dialog is suppressed or elevation fails, run Vscode as administrator only when necessary, but be cautious with extensions and file permissions when doing so. Troubleshooting tip: if elevation is denied, check group policy or antivirus settings that prevent elevation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.